Welcome to Emirates Palace, a masterpiece of gold and marble, a favorite of royalty and celebrities. It has hosted King Charles III and Lionel Messi. Let's explore its grand halls. We start at the grand exterior staircase, leading to the palace's majestic entrance. Inspired by Arabian fortresses, the sand-coloured facade reflects the golden hues of the desert. This is where global icons like Bill Clinton and Rihanna have been welcomed. The imposing domes, visible from afar, have become one of Abu Dhabi's most recognised landmarks. Stepping inside, we enter one of the most extravagant lobbies in the world. The ceiling glows with 22-carat gold, while Swarovski chandeliers light up Persian carpets. Emirates Palace is famous for its gold-infused cappuccinos, once enjoyed by Gordon Ramsay. Its concierge has welcomed Hollywood stars, royals, and world leaders. The atrium is crowned by a 60-metre-high dome, plated in gold. Surrounding it are columns of rare pink and white marble from Italy and Spain. The palace has hosted diplomatic meetings, including those with Angela Merkel and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. Walking through the palace's corridors, you'll see gold accents, intricate mosaics, and handcrafted wooden doors. These hallways stretch over a kilometre, hosting exclusive meetings, including those with Elon Musk. The Dome Courtyard offers views of the Dome, with royal banquets, fashion shows, and Tom Cruise. A royal experience, ending in the peaceful palace gardens where Beyoncé and Andrea Bocelli performed.